Second one, n equivalent to 360. 360, write it as a power of prime bases. 2 180s are, 2 90s are, 3 45s are, 3 30s are, 3 10s are, 2 5s are. So 360 is nothing but 2 is written 3 times, 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Now see here, sum of the factors from n. From now onwards, I will represent it as Sn. This is nothing but 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square plus 2 cube into 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2 into 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1. Don't show your mathematical knowledge and find the answer. Right? Use digital sum concept. Digital sum concept. This is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8. This is nothing but 1 plus 3 plus 9. This is nothing but 1 plus 5. 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 4 digital sum is 6. 9 is out. 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 6 are 36. 9 into any number. Digital sum is 9. Digital sum is 9. If more than one answer option has the same digital sum 9, please try to do the calculation. Digital sum is an acid test to eliminate incorrect answer options. If digital sum is not 9, then the answer is incorrect. If the digital sum is 9, do the generic calculation and try to do it. Sum of the factors. I hope it is clear. Now write down a note. Concept 2. Concept 2. First concept, I hope it is clear. Now in this one, we can also do sum of the concept 2. Concept by concept, problem by problem, class by class, week by week, month by month. I will enable you to reach your target in my area of expertise. Sum of reciprocal of the factors. Sum of reciprocal of the factors. Sum of reciprocal of the factors. Again an example, we will understand the concept. 12. What are the factors of 12? Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Previous case, we did the factors of 12. Now we will do the reciprocal of the factors. First we will do the reciprocal, then we will do the sum. What is the reciprocal of the factors? 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, plus 1 by 12. 1 by 12. LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 is 12. 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 12 1s are 12. 12 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. This is nothing but the sum of the factors for that number. 12 is nothing but the number itself. Extremely important point. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors for n. For n, it is given by Sn by n. Please make a note of it. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors for n is given by Sn by n. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors is nothing but sum of the factors by the number itself. Sum of the factors by the number itself. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors is given by sum of the factors by the number itself. Sn is nothing but sum of the factors. Sn is nothing but sum of the factors. Please make a note of it. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors is sum of the factors by the number itself. One example and another very beautiful concept based on sum of the reciprocal of the factors. I hope it is clear. Example. First we will write the concept at the top of the slide. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors for n, it is nothing but Sn by n. It is nothing but Sn by n. First question, find the sum of reciprocal of the factors. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors for n equivalent to 100. For n equivalent to 100. Find the sum of the reciprocal of the factors for n equivalent to 100. N is nothing but 100. 100 is nothing but 2 square into 5 square. Sum of the factors is nothing but 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2 into 5 power 0, 5 power 1, 5 power 2 divided by the number itself. Divided by the number itself. This itself is the answer. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 5 power 0, 5 power 1, 5 power 2. Right? Now it is 1 plus 2 plus 4, which is 7. Which is 7. 7 into 25, 30, 31. 31 divided by 100. 217 divided by 100. This is the answer. Answer is 21.7. Answer is 21.7. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors is given by sum of the factors by the number itself. Sum of the factors by the number itself. Sum of the factors by the number itself. I hope this idea is clear. But in sum of the reciprocal of the factors, there is a very important concept. Please write down a note. Please write down a note. I hope this concept is clear. Next, write down a note. Note is, if sum of the reciprocal of the factors Sn by n, if the value comes out to be 2, if the value comes out to be 2, then the number is called a perfect number. Then the number is called the perfect number. Then the number is called the perfect number. Then the number is called the perfect number. Now, any perfect number is of the form 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. Listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully to this form. If the sum of the reciprocal of the factors, if the sum of the reciprocal of the factors, if the value is 2, then the number is said to be a perfect number. Any perfect number is of the form 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. Now see here, 2 power p minus 1. Whatever that is written here, this is a prime number. This is a prime number. This should be a prime number. For it to be a prime number, p should be a prime number. P should be a prime number. Listen carefully to this point. If 2 power p minus 1 is prime, if 2 power p minus 1 is prime, then p is prime. For 2 power p minus 1 to be prime, p should be prime. Reverse may or may not be true. Reverse may or may not be true. Reverse may or may not be true. Please write down this point. If 2 power p minus 1 is a prime number, if this is true, this should be true. Yesterday we discussed, if this is a prime number, it should be of the form 6k plus or minus 1. But if a number is of the form 6k plus or minus 1, the number may or may not be true. If then condition, reverse may or may not be true. What is reverse? If p is prime, 2 power p minus 1 may or may not be things. Example, if p is 11, 2 power 11 minus 1, which is 2047. 2047 is not a prime number, is not a prime number, is not a prime number. I hope it is clear. 2 power 11, 2047. If you check it out in Wolfram Alpha, you will come to know that 2047 is not a prime number. Any perfect number, it is of the form 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. If p is a prime number, 2 power p minus 1 will be a prime number. If this is a prime number, this should be a prime number. This should be a prime number. This should be a prime number. We will take an example to understand it. Another important point, please write down. A perfect number always ends with 6 or 8. A perfect number, please write down this point. Any perfect number will be of this form. N is a perfect number. The only condition is 2 power p minus 1. This should be a prime number. The one in the bracket, 2 power p minus 1, it should be a prime number. Take an example. If p is 2, this will become n equivalent to 2 power 1 into 2 square minus 1. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. If n is p is 3, this will become 2 square into 2 cube minus 1. 8 minus 1, 7. 7 4s are 28. 28. It is ending with 8. Remember always, a perfect number always ends with 6 or 8. A perfect number always ends with 6 or 8. A perfect number always ends with 6 or 8. A perfect number always ends with 6 or 8.